Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Volkswagen boot. First, grab your car key. Look for the boot release button, often marked with a car icon and an open boot. Press and hold this button for about 2 seconds. You'll hear a click, and the boot will unlatch, popping up slightly. This method is quick and convenient for everyday use. Sometimes, you might need to open the boot from inside the car. Many Volkswagen models feature an interior release. This is typically a lever or button located on the driver's side, often near the door handle or on the dashboard. Simply pull the lever or press the button, and the boot will release, allowing you to access the cargo area easily. In an emergency, or if your electronic systems aren't working, there's a manual release inside the boot itself. This small lever is usually found on the inside of the boot lid, often designed to glow in the dark for easy visibility. If you ever find yourself locked out or need to open it from the inside, simply pull this lever to release the latch. If your boot isn't opening, first check for any obstructions around the latch or seal. Sometimes, a small item can prevent it from fully releasing. Also, ensure your car battery has enough power, as electronic releases rely on it. For more tips and tricks, check out our other videos. And hey, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener. You can find a link to that, plus other great deals, in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.